Right. So already we have completed list. In the last session, we have discussed how to work with the list. Second one, I'll explain how to work with the dictionary. The second important one the second important one is a dictionary. Dictionary. List actually store values directly. But whereas dictionary dictionary store values with keys actually. Keys. Key value. Key value. Key value. Pairs it will store. Keys must be unique. Keys must be unique because we identify and we access with the help of keys only. Values can be duplicated. Values can be duplicated. See, how can we create this simple dictionary? First, I'll explain. Any type of data you will store. First, in an easy way, objects later, employees and all objects later we'll see. Okay, first simple code. I'm creating one dictionary. Creating one dictionary. How can you create dictionary? Here you need to specify two things. Suppose integer and string I'm passing. Taking that one, just key value pairs. See, look at this. It is giving clearly key value pairs. I am giving the object name is a key value pairs or pairs I am giving simply. Pairs I am giving. Now I want to add some values to that one. Look at this. Pairs dot. It is showing add. Add. We need to add one integer value and one string value. Suppose integer 10. String I am passing again 10. 10 I am passing. That is. Next again here it is. We keep on calling like this. Pairs dot add 20. 20. We are adding like this 20. Pairs dot add 30 and the value 30 added. 30 added. Pairs dot add 40. 40 added. Like this, all values we are adding. All values we are adding. Finally, we are printing that dictionary. Console dot write line. If we are just writing that pairs, I'm just printing that pairs. And now I'm executing the code. Executing the code. Only just we are printing all directly. But actually, how can we print the values? How can we print the values? Pairs is just an object. Pairs is just an object. It is showing that dictionary. It is taking integer as well as a string. Integer as well as a string, that is. But you need to display. How can we display? Using the for each. Using for each. Dictionary is, now we are printing. In a different way, we need to print actually. How? For each, look at this. It will write automatically. See, it is showing very clearly. No? It is showing very clearly. Here it is. Key value pair. Key value pair. It is taking as a key value pair. And that we are printing. That we are printing. Console dot write line. Printing that pair. But simply Instead of writing this one, we are taking where. This is the new one they introduced. Where. Simply, no need to specify this one also. That key value pair I'll explain later. How? Sir, where means what? How can you display this pair? Pair is also again object. Then clearly you need to display that pair dot key. Next step, comma separator, pair dot value. From the pairs, each pair, one pair will come. Automatically, one pair will come and store into this variable. But again, from here, you need to collect one by one by calling the variables called one is a key and second one is a value. This is the simple way of displaying the details. Is a new one, new option, you know that using the dollar, you can display same pair key. Here we are writing that dollar symbol. Everything you are writing like this. Suppose everything inside. What is the key? Key equals to, we are writing like this. Pair dot key. Pair dot key. Comma. Value is a pair dot value. Pair dot key. Pair dot value. That is. Now again we are executing this one. Is a way. Okay. Key value, just messages actually. Any message you can give here. This is message key. And next one, this is value. Like this. So dictionary is used to store key value pair. Sir, what type of key you can write? That is your wish. Sir, suppose in reverse I am writing. Key is a string. Key is a string. Value is an integer. Value is a integer. That is. You can collect like this. Then reverse also you can add. Just reverse. Yes, we can do that. Yes, we can do that. 10. Next one is a 20. Next one is a 30. Next one is a 40. Like this. Now again, see, now I'm writing that for each. I'm writing for each. See, look at this. Now key value pair it is taking. Na? It's a new one. New one. So what is that advantage? What is that advantage? Console dot write line. Console dot write line of, look at this. That pair dot key. Pair dot key. Same. Pair dot value. Pair dot value. Either you can specify like this. No, sir, why all these things? Simply where. Where means what? Variable type. Any type it can take. Any type it can take easily. That is, as usual, how you are storing the data in list of employee objects. The same thing I am explaining here. Now, as it is, we need to do. So, what is that? Here, employee ID I'm taking. But here, complete employee object. So, it's integer type ID. And this is employee type. Employee type is integer type and employee type. Sir, where is the employee? If you go with the suggestions, generate the type employee, class employee. See, just like last, employee ID, employee name, employee salary. I'm taking public double employee salary. Next one is a constructor, public employee constructor. This is int id. See, everything written, everything written for you. Next one, simply the display method, public void or details method. Details, that is, here it is just printing console dot write line, printing that id. Directly, if you want to print all at once, just here it is, we know that dollar, here it is id. Next one, name. Next one, salary. Salary, that's it, simply printing. Because again, comma with concatenation and all, it's easy na? In an easy way we can display. Now here, sir, how to add, sir? To the list directly you added, but key value, key is an integer, that is id directly, id directly. But this one, object, look at this, pairs dot add of key is 101. Value, look at this, new employee of 101, name and salary. 101 two times I am writing. Two times. I'll explain. Diagrammatically, I'll explain. Pairs dot add 102, new employee, that 102 Annie 45,000. Pairs dot add 103, new employee, just that 103, the name, and like a 40,000 I'm taking, like this. How the values are going to store? How the values are going to store? In this one, suppose this is key value pair. It's a key value pair. Key value, key value. How many objects we have created? 3 objects we have created. 3 objects we have created. What are the values in the object? What are the values in the object? 101, name, some value, na? Some value is the same. 102, name, some value. Suppose 103, name. Suppose consider. But how you stored? It has some addresses, no? Some addresses it has. Every object has some address. Okay. How we are storing here? Key value 101, that address. Key value 102 and that address. Key value is 103 and that address. And that address. With the help of this one, we are storing. With the help of this one, we are storing like this. So this ID and inside that ID both are same. So then how can we access same one? Look at this. I'm printing the details. Console dot write line. All the details I'm printing. How? Same one for each employee pairs. Each employee you are getting. Each employee. See, directly pairs dot values. See how it is writing the code? Directly in pairs. I don't want this. Directly what you are getting? Values you are getting. So first of all, suppose like a previous one. Like a previous one. I'm taking like this. Sir, where? Something like object. In pairs I am taking. Pairs. What will happen, you know? Whenever you are printing console.writeLine, obj.key, just a separation, obj.value, suppose if you give, but value is not a single value, not like a previous one. Yes or no? Value is not a single value. Value is an object. Look at this. Look at this. It's an object. 204648455629 is a dictionary. See, whenever you are printing, it is printing like this. See, look at this. It's a key, okay. But value is an employee object. Key, value is an employee object. Key, value is an employee object. Sir, I need details. Obj dot value dot. Look at this. In that value object, details method is there. Details method is there, but it is giving error. Sir, why, sir? Error. You are printing here, but it is not returning. Look at this. Now I am writing like this. Return. What is that? Return the complete data. So what is the return type? String. Then automatically this value will return to here. Then it will print. Then it will print. When you run the code, look at this, how it is executing. It's a key. So now why is a key? Not required now. Remove this key. Remove this key. Then write. Run it. All values are printing. This is the way. But how system written? System also written na? Now let me ask the system to write once again. For each, look at this, how easily it is giving. Directly it is taking the values. Because key is not required. Directly taking the values. Console.write employee to string. Sir, what is this two strings? Sir? Anyway, it is returning this string. Na? Anyway, returning this string? No. This one you need to write here. To string. It's a rule. It is automatically written. Na? Automatically, that's the rule. Look at this. In real time, the details we are printing with the help of toString only. With the help of toString. What is the use, sir? Whatever you are writing, the details will print automatically. That is, automatically it will print. This is a very, very important one compared to the previous one. The only two things are there, list and dictionary. With the help of these two only, all the things we can write. Okay, complete all these things. Today I'll upload this video also. Dictionary also you have to complete. Then in this we have only one concept called link. Sir, what is this link? The easy way of working with collections is nothing but link. If I explain that link, all the basic concepts will be completed so that we can move to the front end as well as back end. SQL Server, ADO.NET we can start. Okay, I'll upload this video. Please practice this dictionary. Thank you.